CNN10 script, Friday, April 25th, 2025. Script 115, Ukraine spares minerals, March 3rd, 2025. Reading aloud. 10-second trivia. Who invented the first gas-powered car in 1886? Henry Ford, Carl Benz, Ferdinand Porsche, or Gottlieb Daimler? Your answer is Carl Benz, the German mechanical engineer who created the first modern three-wheeled automobile that he dubbed the motor wagon. For all the Back to the Future fans out there, do you remember the scene where the car, the DeLorean, backed out onto the street of the neighborhood, then lifted up and took off flying through the air? Well, imagine if that was our very near future, because it may very well be. An automotive aviation company is promising a flying car that will transform commuting as we know it. Aleph Aeronautic is now sharing with the world the first video of its flying car called the Model Zero. Our Jeremy Ruth shows us how the company's CEO hopes to eventually make these cars cheaper and more accessible to everyday drivers. Look at this car taking off and hopping over a truck. It's a prototype made by the company Aleph Aeronautic, which hopes to put this $300,000 flying car in the fast lane to reality. Right now, for most people, for the general consumer, it's prohibitively expensive because it's expensive for us to produce one. But it's because it's a very low volume production and it's very inefficient. The end goal, it should be actually same level or less expensive than a Toyota Corolla, Ford Focus, or anything like that because it's less complex. This CGI rendered video shows the automobile flying through the mountains. The FAA said that Aleph Aeronautics' vehicle is not the first aircraft of its kind to get a special airworthiness certificate. However, the company notes that its vehicle stands out because it can drive on roads, fly, and be used in search and rescue. Models from companies like SkyDrive, Hoversurf, Volocopter, and others are yet to hit the market and make flying cars a reality. Today's story, getting a 10 out of 10, is one super pod of thousands of dolphins. A pod is the collective noun for a group of dolphins, and a tour boat captain captured this rare video of more than 2,000 of the flippers off the coast of Monterey Bay, California.